23. This is a new one from Cutting Edge Fireworks. It's got 28 shots, and the last thing that goes up is a Django, a UFO. Number 123 from Cutting Edge, Mr. Luck. Mr. Lucky. That was number 123. Now this next one comes in a kit. It's bought as a grand finale. 124 A, B, C, and D. We are going to shoot them one at a time. You can use them and shoot them all at once. Very, very unique Panda item from Panda Fireworks. The first one, 124A, is Pyro Party Pack, number 1, Gold Willow Finale, 64 shots. Pyro Pack number 2, Mashiki Finale, 64 shots.
Good.
124C. This is Pyro Pack number 3, Broad-Based Finale, 64 shots. All right, the last one of the consumer items, 124D, Pyro Pack number 4, Flower Crown Finale, 64 shots. We got a couple more raffles, gift cards, and free t-shirts, and then we're going to start on the items that are under the tent pro